Side effects of intermittent fasting you shouldn't ignore. Intermittent fasting has become a buzzword in health circles, offering a range of benefits beyond weight loss. From reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes to boosting brain function, IF is gaining traction for its potential to improve overall well-being. However, like any lifestyle change, it comes with its own set of challenges. For newcomers, IF is a dietary pattern that alternates between fasting periods and eating windows, focusing on timing rather than what to eat. Many opt for the 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. But even seasoned practitioners may experience side effects, especially during the initial stages or when the routine is disrupted. Let's explore these potential downsides. Common side effects of intermittent fasting. 1. Hunger cravings. It's not uncommon to feel a sharp pang of hunger right away, especially when first starting IF. This can trigger intense cravings for high sugar or high fat foods, making it hard to stay consistent. For example, someone might find themselves reaching for chocolate bars or fried snacks instead of healthy options. The brain's reward system often reacts to these triggers, making it easier to fall into old habits. 2. Headaches, fatigue. Changes in eating patterns and dehydration can lead to headaches. Fluctuations in blood sugar levels, such as after skipping meals, can also cause migraines or dizziness. For beginners, this might feel like a wake-up call to adjust their approach, like increasing water intake or shortening fasting windows. 3. Low energy levels. Initially, many people report feeling sluggish or fatigued as their bodies adapt to prolonged fasting. This is because the body shifts from using glucose to storing fat for energy. Over time, though, the body may begin to burn stored fat, leading to improved energy levels once the routine stabilizes. 4. Mood swings, irritability. Hunger can affect mood, causing irritability or frustration. When the brain isn't getting enough nutrients, it may prioritize survival over productivity, leading to heightened emotions. For example, someone might become easily annoyed during work or feel overwhelmed by daily tasks. 5. Digestive discomfort. Altering mealtimes and food types can disrupt normal digestion. Some people experience bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort, especially if they consume high-fiber or heavy meals during fasting periods. Staying hydrated and choosing lighter, easily digestible foods can help mitigate these issues. 6. Nutrient deficiencies. If not approached carefully, IF can lead to inadequate nutrient intake. Without proper eating windows, the body may not get enough vitamins, minerals, or protein. This can create a cycle of fatigue, weakened immunity, and even long-term health problems. For example, a lack of omega-3 fatty acids could impact brain function, while insufficient iron intake might lead to anemia. Tips for a smooth IF journey. To minimize side effects and maximize benefits, consider these strategies. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water, even during fasting, helps prevent dehydration and keeps hunger at bay. Herbal teas or black coffee are great options that won't break the fast. 2. Start gradually. Begin with shorter fasts, like 12 hours, and slowly increase the duration. Extreme fasts can cause headaches, nausea, or energy crashes, so easing into the routine is key. 3. Focus on nutrient-dense foods. During eating windows, prioritize whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These not only fuel the body, but also support weight management and metabolic health. 4. Plan ahead. Prepare meals in advance to avoid unhealthy temptations. Having healthy options ready ensures you're not forced to choose between a nutritious meal and a tempting snack. 5. Listen to your body. If you feel excessively tired or unwell, adjust your plan or consult a healthcare professional. Personalized guidance can help tailor IF to your unique needs. 6. Avoid overeating. It's easy to overindulge during eating windows, but mindful eating, eating until satisfied and stopping before feeling uncomfortably full, can help maintain balance. 7. Be consistent. Like any habit, consistency matters. Choose a fasting schedule that fits your lifestyle to make it easier to stick to long-term. Signal. Final thoughts. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for weight loss and health improvement, but it's not a magic solution. Success depends on understanding your body's signals and making adjustments as needed. While some people thrive, others may need to experiment with different methods or seek professional advice. As with any diet, the key is to approach IF with mindfulness and flexibility. Disclaimer: this content provides general information and is not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any new dietary regimen.